But the argument from No Lie is that Red Hook's Big Juicy Ballard is far too close to their flagship beer, the IPA Big Juicy. Now, that is not their only concern. See, Tilray is a global cannabis company, the company that owns Red Hook, and they are exploring the idea of infusing beers with THC. So theoretically, one day, this version of the Big Juicy could not only give you a buzz, it could get you high.
They're putting a Big Juicy next to a Big Juicy in stores in Washington.
Product literally one shelf apart. Scanning the aisle, you'll see India Pale Ales come to us in many forms. Hazy, Imperial, West Coast. Juicy is another. But according to Spokane-based brewery No Lie, they've got the exclusive rights to the title Big Juicy per a trademark they received over 6 years ago.
And if you go through the time and energy and monies to invest into a trademark, then it should be protected.
But No Lie's husband and wife ownership duo, Cindy and John Bryant, complain it wasn't. Far from it, in fact. Now visible from the windows of Red Hook's Capitol Hill Brew Lab is an advertisement reading, "Big Goes Juicy." John says back in January, he reached out to Red Hook's owners Tilray, flagging the mistake and asking them to correct it. But those requests have been ignored.
And to move forward, even though they're fully aware that the name Big Juicy was clearly trademarked.
This legal complaint No Lie just filed in U.S. District Court for trademark infringement alleges Red Hook not only dismissed them, they rubbed their face in it, promoting on Instagram kegs of No Lie's product right beside theirs at the Red Hook Brew Lab. Seeing this, John went to investigate himself and claims someone on staff there told him,
He said, yeah, we don't carry that, but we carry a better tasting Big Juicy, the one we make, Big Juicy Ballard. And at that point, I'm like, wow, we got some serious brand confusion. This is really uncomfortable.
And there's another wrinkle to this hop-fueled feud.
We're a local Washington craft beer brewery. Tilray is an international cannabis company.
The lawsuit claims Tilray CEO hopes to, quote, eventually infuse THC and CBD into its beer, planning to acquire more breweries as a platform to further sell its cannabis products.
They're hoping that the federal government loosens up cannabis restrictions in America so you can put THC into beverages. What we don't want to see is Big Juicy THC and have somebody think it's No Lie.
John hopes they'll find resolve. Tilray could pay his legal fees or agree to not ship Big Juicy Ballard to his stomping grounds of Eastern Washington. But if not, he's ready to take this all the way to court. Reporting in Seattle.